सबसे पहले लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट और
Mitchell starts with a thick outside edge. Good judgment. Picked it was too wide. Too much elevation. The bowler wants it. The bowler calls for it. Tough catch. Good catch. Yes, that's a good catch.
That is simply outstanding. Mahesh, take a bow.
Can't afford to lose a wicket now, New Zealand. You only named 3 batters. Nation trying to go down. Chapman gets it. Oh, bad luck. Bad luck.
Oh, and that's when you start to feel momentum is gone. The rub of the green.
Fostered again. You've got to go for 2. It's in the gap. They'll get 2. That's all they'll be. This is brilliant stuff from Mahesh. That is 4. The placement was superb. He would have liked a bit more elevation, I'd imagine, Chapman, but he will take 4.
Timing was good once again from Chapman. Placement excellent as well. Going into the surface is Mahesh.
Brilliant bowling. Brilliant bowling. Round the wicket. Right on the money. Yorker, New Zealand pulled out, you could say, in the super over. And they only make 8.
Outstanding. When we were talking about bowlers who could possibly take this last over for Sri Lanka, that was the reason that man's name was brought up. The ability.
With the responsibility of winning this, and then Kishore Pereira, we understand, will come in if one of them gets out. New Zealand. Adam Milne got a wicket with his first ball today. First ball of the game. That was a slower ball, first ball. Interesting choice. He didn't hit the block hole. He did not hit the block hole, and it's cost him. It hung in the air. It hung in the air for hours. But it always felt like it was destined to get enough air.
It's the slower ball once.
The only option. No, he goes for a bouncer. Brilliantly played. Brilliant stuff. Take a bow, Sri Lanka. It's been a stunning performance. His batting was great in the first innings. It's the reason why they set a challenging total. And then he's just brought the game home in the super over. 6 and then 4, kicked his head and did the job. And they lost the toss here today. Were asked to bat.
सबसे पहले लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट और शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।